Here's how to set up crossplay in ARK Survival Ascended so you can play on PC while your friend plays on PS5. Crossplay is completely possible, but it only works through a dedicated server since PC and PS5 can't directly join each other's sessions without one. Setting up the server the right way ensures that both platforms can connect smoothly and without constant disconnects. To get started, you'll need to host a dedicated server. The good news is you don't need a powerful PC or a high-end GPU. The server mostly relies on RAM and runs in a simple terminal-style window. Just open Steam, right-click ARK, Survival Ascended, and choose Launch Dedicated Server. From there, you can select your map, adjust the multipliers, and even add mods if you want a customized experience. If you're unsure how to configure everything, there are plenty of step-by-step guides for both Windows and Linux setups. It's important to follow a guide that matches your system so the server runs smoothly and avoids crashes. Make sure you also forward the correct ports on your router, since that's what allows other players, like your friend on PS5, to connect to your server from outside your home network. A few extra things to keep in mind. You can add mods to customize gameplay, and while the GPU doesn't matter for hosting, having enough RAM is crucial for stability, especially with larger maps or more creatures. You might also want to keep the server window open on a second monitor so you can monitor any errors or messages. Once your dedicated server is fully set up, your PS5 friend will be able to join without issues, and you'll be ready to enjoy smooth crossplay adventures together.